Okay, so let's see how to put the string in this EGO trimmer. So there's a hole right here. One comes out the other side. Hopefully this will go through, so let's try it. It's supposed to go straight through. And there it did. Then you just pull it and make both sides the same length. So there we go. Oops. Okay, same length right there. Then there's a button right here. You see that button? Yeah, the button right there. We're going to push that button and it's going to wind the cord for us. It gets short of the cutter, stop it, and that's how you do it. Ready to go. Now, if you want to get more line while you're operating it, you'll just bump it on the ground. Bump it on the ground like bump, bump, like bump, bump, like that. The head. The head on the ground. If you're interested in this trimmer string, you can find a link in the video description. Also, if you find this information useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. That really helps out.